Today's recipe is prawn and egg curry. I have 325 grams of prawns here that I have cleaned and deveined. I've left the tails intact. 4 hard-boiled eggs that I'm going to season with a little bit of black pepper. Let's now rub the pepper all over the eggs. 1 big red onion, cut into 2, sliced and chopped. Two medium-sized potatoes, each cut into 2 lengthwise and then diced into 6 cubes. Six cloves of garlic, sliced and chopped. 1 tomato, cut into half and chopped into pieces. Two drumsticks or moringa, its skin removed and cut into 3-inch lengths. I'm going to wash this thoroughly now before cooking. Let's start cooking by pan frying the boiled eggs. I've turned off the stove and I'm now removing the pan-fried eggs from the pan. Here we are, the pan-fried eggs. I have here 2 tablespoons of coconut oil heating in the wok. The flame is at medium. Adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds crackle. Now adding the garlic. Let's saute the garlic until it turns fragrant. The fragrance of the garlic is wafting through my kitchen, so I'm now adding the onion. Let's now saute the onion as well. And now for the rest of the Indian spices, 1 1/4 teaspoons of fennel seeds. A 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Let's now fry them together. Next comes 3 stalks of curry leaves. Let's lower the flame for the masala powders. Firstly, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, followed by 2 tablespoons of chili powder, let's roast this on a low flame, and 4 tablespoons of fish curry powder. Keep stirring on a low flame so as not to burn the masala powders. Now that's done, let's add some water to these frying ingredients. Let's increase the flame and add the tomato, then the potato cubes, all of them, followed lastly by the drumsticks. We'll now give the vegetables a good stir. Now let's leave the curry to come to a boil. And there it is, boiling away merrily. We now need to cover the wok and allow the vegetables to cook. The potato is cooked, so the drumsticks must also be done. As the vegetables are cooked, adding 1 teaspoon of concentrated tamarind that had earlier mixed with a little bit of water. Adding salt to taste. The prawns are going in now, together with the pan-fried hard-boiled eggs. Let's stir to combine all the ingredients. Let's now cover and let the prawns cook. As there is insufficient gravy in this dish, I am adding 50 ml of warm water. Stirring now to combine all the ingredients together. The prawns have been cooking for about 4 minutes, so let's turn off the fire. Prawn and egg curry for your gastronomic enjoyment with white rice. Do try this recipe at home and provide me with your comments. Until I see you again with another recipe, thank you, stay safe, bye.